Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can buy shares or stocks on Yahoo Finance. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, make sure that you do have a Yahoo account logged in. Go ahead and open yahoo.finance and then you can sign into your account. The next step you want to do is tap on My Portfolio on the top left-hand corner of the screen. If you don't have a portfolio yet, you can just go ahead and start the portfolio creation. Go ahead and watch our previous video and you can create a new portfolio for yourself. Go ahead and tap on your portfolios. The next step you want to do is add new symbols. So go ahead and tap on add symbol, which is over here. You can search for a symbol name over here and tap on the stock you want to equip. Go ahead and tap on stocks over here and tap on add symbol. After that, you can see this is the stock which we recently added, but we haven't bought it yet. To add or buy stocks, you can see the shares option. Go ahead and tap on add. Now you can just go ahead and tap on buy, select the buy date and cost of the share you want to apply for, the number of shares and the commission. You can see the total cost option over here. Go ahead and tap on add transaction over here. Wait for a while, and as you can see, you have easily bought this stock over here. And if you pay the money, you can see this option over here. You can easily change this option over here as well, and you can buy it. So guys, this is how easy it is to buy the stocks on Yahoo Finance. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.